dito po magre-reflect yung ID number nyo. Okay? Fill in the cash details po dito sa baba. And then, ito po yung pinaka-the best sa Union Bank. You do not have to send LX reload notification sa system. Kasi po, naka-reflect na po yung pangalan nyo dito and yung ID number nyo. Once po ma-receive namin tong resibong to sa office, malalaman namin na ikaw po yung nag-deposit ng pera. So, hindi nyo na po kailangan mag-text. Again, make sure it's bills payment slip para po mag-reflect yung information nyo. Okay, load wallet will be credited the same day. Ganito po yan. Sa bangko po, merong 3 hours processing period. Kapag umaga nyo po diniposit yung pera, probably afternoon, meron na po kayong load wallet. Pag around 2 or 3 p.m., expect na magka-load wallet kayo, kinabukasan na po ng umaga. Alright, again, merong 3 hours processing period. Second option is sa BDO po. Ito po yung Banco de Oro. Alright, make sure to get the cash deposit slip. Okay, kanina bills payment, ito naman cash deposit slip. Okay, ganito po yung itsura ng cash deposit slip. Alright, mananotice nyo po, wala pong pangalan nyo, yung cash deposit slip, hindi po nagre-reflect yung pangalan nyo, tsaka yung ID number nyo. Nakalagay lang po dyan is yung account number ng V-Mobile and pangalan ng V-Mobile. Alright? Ito po yung account number ng V-Mobile sa BDO. Okay? Pag nag-deposit po kayo sa BDO, nag-cash deposit slip deposit kayo, wala po yan siyang inter-branch deposit charge. Wala pong charge yan. Okay? Remember that. Again, merong 3 hours processing period. Pag umaga, usually hapon na. Pag hapon, expect the next day. And then, there's no business operation on weekends. Alright? Pagbigay nyo po sa teller nitong cash deposit slip na to, bibigyan po kayo ulit ng resibo after niya po pag-process. Okay? Ito na po yung matatanggap nyong resibo. Okay? Kailangan nyo po mag-send ng LX reload command. Kasi again po, hindi po dyan naka-reflect yung pangalan nyo and ID number nyo. Kaya kailangan nyo mag-text para malaman po namin na tong 500 na to galing po sa inyo. Okay? Yan ito pong gawin natin. Magte-text po kayo, LX space reload space Tecno user or Tecnopreneur ID / PIK or password / amount deposited. Okay? Ito po yung amount deposited, 500 pesos. / bank. Siyempre, yung bank po is BDO. / bank code. Yung bank code po is eto. Yung 398. Pag hindi po kasi sigurado sa bank code ng pinagdeposituhan yung bangko, tanungin nyo lang po sa teller. / bank branch, pagpalagay natin SM Mall of Asia, pwede din po ilagay dyan, dito po sa Lanang po yan dito sa Davao. / account number, yung account number na pinagdeposituhan nyo po, ito po. Alright, saktong-sakto po yan sa BDO account number ng V-Mobile. / date and / time. Alright? Ito po yung date and time. Make sure na tama po yung information. Date and time. Okay? Kasi po, marireceive namin tong resibong to sa office. Right? Pag na-receive namin yung text confirmation mo, malalaman po namin na galing yan sa'yo kasi nag-match. And again, dito sa text na to, nag-reflect yung ID number mo. Ito po yung ID number mo. So, malalaman namin galing yun sa'yo. And, ilo-load po namin agad yun pag natanggap namin yung resibo galing sa bangko in 3 hours time po. Alright? Common human error, don't forget, wala pong sobrang space dito in between. Baka po may sobrang space. Pag send nyo po, hindi po namin marireceive yung text message. Alright? Don't forget to send the command sa inyong gateway. Alright, same process po sa BPI and Metrobank. Make sure to get the cash deposit slip. Okay, again, 3 hours processing period. Pag umaga, usually hapon na. Pag hapon, expect na bukas ng umaga. Then, wala pong business operation on weekends. And lahat po ng process na to is available po sa inyong quick guide. Kailangan nyo lang po basahin at intindihin po natin kung ano mga nakasulat doon. Pag meron po kayong mga questions, wag po kayong mag-atubiling magtanong para po maklarify yung information or magpatulong po kayo. Okay, sunod po nating pag-aaralan is paano po mag-register. Alright? Kayo pong mga dealers, again, meron po tayong 20 pieces na techno user or retailer. Para po magamit ng mga retailer nyo dun, para po magamit ng mga kapitbahay nyong gustong mag-loading, kailangan po natin i-register. Okay? Ganito po yung gagawin natin. Magpa-process po tayo ng lx-reg na command. Okay, ganito po yan, oh. lx space reg or reg space techno user ID. Okay, yung techno user ID or yung retailer ID space subscribers activation code or yung SAC. Nasa likod po yan ng techno user card nyo. Kailangan nyo po i-scratch para makita nyo po yung number. Alright, it's a 10-digit number. And then space birth date. Okay, make sure the birth date, ganito po yung format, month dash date dash year. Okay, ito po yung sample, 12-05-1984. Yan po yung birth date format. And then space telco code. Alright, ganito po yan. Kung ano po yung SIM na gamit nyo, yun po yung magiging telco code nyo. Kung SIM nyo is talk and text, tagay nyo TNT. Kung SIM nyo is touch mobile, that is TM. Kung Sun, that is Sun. Kung Globe, that is Go Globe. Kung Smart, that is Smart. And Red Mobile, that is Red. Okay, yun po yung mga accepted telco codes. And then space your full name. Okay, review lang po natin tong message na to. Again, LX space reg ID number space subscribers activation code, 10-digit number na nasa likod na kailangan i-scratch, space birth date, space telco code smart, space full name. And then make sure walang human error. Make sure na walang sobrang space. Alright? Pag okay yung command, send nyo po sa gateway nyo. Okay? Pag tama po ulit yung commands, agad-agad magre-reply yung system natin. Ito po yung i-reply ng ating LoadExtreme system. You have successfully registered your account. Your load balance is 0. Of course, kaka-register pa lang, 0 balance talaga yan. And, bibigyan po kayo ng default password or your personal identification key. 6-digit password, okay? You have successfully registered your account. Load balance is 0. Your PIK is 12345 And pwede nyo po yung i-change anytime nyo po gustuhin. And then, sa likod po ng Techno User Card, meron pong step 2 doon to change your address. Hindi na po kailangan sundin yon. Optional lang po yung change address. Again, hindi na po kailangan mag-change address na command. Alright? And again po, all information is available in your quick guide. Basahin lang po natin yan and intindihin natin. Matutulungan po tayo ng quick guide na yan. Kaya ito po yung LoadExtreme system behavior. Meron tayong tinatawag na 3 error trapping rule or 3 wrong PIK entry. Pag nagkamali po kayo ng lagay ng password nyo or gamit ng password nyo 3 times, automatic po, malalock yung account nyo. Kailangan nyo po tumawag or mag-request sa ating system online para po ma-unlock yung ating account. Alright? Okay, telco warning notification and 30 minutes stale request feature. Ganito po yan. Okay, telco warning notification, pag hindi po talaga na-loadan or hindi po talaga na-loadan yung customer natin because of telco congestion or baka mayroong maintenance yung telco, kahit magre-reply po sa inyo yung system na hindi po talaga na-loadan. And that system will reply to you in 30 minutes. Okay? May iba po nagsasabi, ngayon na niloadan tapos kinabukasan na po dumating, hindi po totoo 'yon. Alright? Meron tayong 30 minutes stale request feature. After 30 minutes, pag hindi na-loadan yung customer, automatic magre-reply sa iyo yung system. Due to telco congestion or due to system unavailability, hindi po ma-loadan. After 30 minutes, you will receive a confirmation. Alright? Sasabihin na hindi talaga na-loadan and your load balance will be restored. Okay? Yung magkano man load balance yung kanina. Alright, may tinatawag tayong 5 minutes trapping rule. Okay, ganito po yun. Di pa po maglo-load po kayo sa customer. Alright? Kahit ilang beses nyo po isend etong command na to, same commands, same product code, and same cellphone number, within 5 minutes, kahit 100 times nyo po isend yan, that will be counted as one transaction only. Alright? Ulitin ko po, within 5 minutes, kahit 10 beses po kayo nag-send sa gateway, alright? Isang transaction lang po yan. Isang beses lang po maloloadan. Okay? Ginawa pong feature na to kasi po minsan yung telco, kahit isang beses ka lang mag-send, ang nare-receive nila 2 or 3 message. So, pag wala tong feature na to, automatic 3 beses na yun maglo-load within 5 minutes. Diba? Alright. So, andito yung feature na to for our security na din. Again, kahit ilang beses ka mag-send, basta within 5 minutes, with the same code, the same number, and the same commands, that will be counted as one transaction. Pag lumagpas na po ng 5 minutes, syempre, second transaction na yun. Alright? Okay, meron tayong text care command. Member may send the following text command format. Alright? Okay, ganito po yun. Ito po yung mga text care hotline po natin for the smart number, for the globe number, and for the sun number. Okay? Pagpalagay po natin, nakalimutan nyo po yung password nyo. Okay? Pagpalagay na natin, nakalimutan nyo yung password mo. What is my password? Okay, ganito po yung gagawin natin. Okay, create kayo ng message. Lagay nyo po yung ID number nyo dito. Okay, and then, tanong nyo po, what is my password? And then, send nyo po dito sa respective hotline number nyo or text care numbers. Okay, ganito po yung mangyayari. Pag-receive po namin ng message na to, titignan namin yung ID number. Nag-match po yung ID number, check. And yung cellphone number na naka-register and yung cellphone number na ginamit nyo, pag nag-match yun, check, magre-reply po kami. Alright? Pero pag ganito pong scenario, pareha po yung ID number, nag-match, and then yung cellphone number na naka-register, and then yung ginamit mo, hindi po nag-match. Syempre, for your security reason, hindi po namin i-reply yung password nyo po. Alright? And expect at least a day or 2 days process kasi marami pong nagre-request sa system. So, iniisa-isa po namin yun for your own security na din. Okay, common problems, loading delays, telco congestion. Yan po yung number 1. Okay, telco over-the-air system unavailability or under maintenance. And hindi ko po nalagay dyan yung common human error. Sa ating commands, magkamali po tayo na sobra ng space. So, hindi po yun siya malaload. Magkakaroon po yung loading delays. Okay? Customer, non-receipt or otherwise successful loading, yung mag-load tayo tapos hindi pa nila na-receive yung confirmation na na-loadan na. Have the customer check their number. Baka po na mali yung number na binigay. Kaya po sa ibang customer po na loadan. Okay? Or have your customer check their balance. Baka na-loadan na, hindi lang dumating yung confirmation pero may balance na po. Right? Okay, meron ding mga lumang cellphone na parating nagahang, so pwede nyo pong i-restart yung cellphone para po makareceive ng message, and then make sure na yung cellphone ng customer nyo hindi po full kasi po hindi nila ma-receive yung text confirmation na na-loadan sila kasi po puno yung inbox nila. Hanggang doon lang po muna yung pag-aaral natin tungkol sa ating system and the technical aspects ng ating negosyo. Sana po marami po kayong natutunan. Okay, don't forget, pag meron po kayong mga tanong, suggestions, or any reactions, add nyo po ako sa Facebook, flipcwalker@gmail.com, or again, contact nyo po ako through SMS at 0919-6245-415. Pag OFW po kayo ulit, lagay nyo lang po yung roaming number nyo para po makapag-text back po ako sa inyo. Maraming salamat po and God bless. Welcome to V-Mobile.